Welcome back. I'm Lisa, and this is the Green Tech 360. For the next 360 seconds, we are going to look at smart grid technology and other green tech changing the world. Smart grid security is to become the next multi-billion-dollar industry, according to Pike Research. Investment in security for the systems is expected to exponentially increase within the next 5 years. So far, the U.S. government has set aside specific funding for the development of security protocols. The report from Pike Research estimates that 15% of the spending on smart grid technology between 2010 and 2015 will be for security purposes, with North America spending the most. This is not surprising. A 2009 report found that the U.S. electric grid is vulnerable to hacking and sabotage. The U.S. Department of Energy and the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission has been pushing the National Institute of Standards and Technology to have regulations for smart grid communications. The 5 major areas that need to be addressed are transmission upgrades, substations automation, distribution automation, electric vehicle management systems, and advanced metering infrastructures. What happens when cell phones and smart grids combine? You get a new way of home energy management and security. Verizon is currently developing an integrated home management system to add to their list of services. The goal of the company is to offer this via a cloud network, so the information would be readily available to a system of devices including televisions and phones. This could mean you would get a text message when the doorbell rings. Other companies are developing in-home energy dashboards and software that allows people to monitor energy use. These devices allow consumers to reduce monthly bills by 5 to 15%. Cable and phone companies seem to be the most eager to partner up with utility services to offer these new lines of products. In other smart grid news, after U.S. television switched from analog to digital in February 2009, TV found that it had a lot of white space. These channels would remain unused, but Google has a better idea. Why not integrate smart grid technology on the abandoned channels and use it like a high-speed Wi-Fi? In Plumas, Sierra, California, that is exactly what they are doing. Through a partnership with Google, Spectrum Bridge, and the Plumas Sierra Rural Electric Cooperative and Telecommunications Utility Company are utilizing the empty channels. This is a great option for areas where there is rough terrain and gives a second alternative for a wireless connection. The new smart grid tech will not interfere with other local uses of the white space because it is using a special smart TV white space database developed by Spectrum Bridge. Google has also installed its Power Meter technology. Lowe's is making it easier for its customers to make their homes energy efficient and sustainable. Recently, the company has invested in the San Francisco-based company Recurve to provide software and services for retrofitting homes. Lowe's stores in the Bay Area will have displays showing customers Recurve's retrofitting services that are available. Recurve services include sealing air ducts, adding insulation, and improving HVAC systems to increase energy efficiency of homes. The company also offers software services that help speed up the energy audit process, and they may offer software services to other companies at a later date. Politics will play a major role in the future of investor decisions. Recurve, Lowe's, and many other companies in the home retrofitting industry would see a boost in sales if the Homestar Energy Retrofit Act of 2010 passes in the Senate. The bill would offer thousands of dollars in rebates to homeowners through upgrades and new appliances. This would be a win for homeowners, stockholders, and the environment. Light bulbs are getting a new look. Well, their packaging is, at least. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission has proposed a nutrition-style labeling system on compact fluorescent light bulbs. The new labels will show mercury content, estimated yearly energy cost, and light output in lumens instead of watts. This is important because currently light bulbs are labeled in watts, which is actually the amount of energy used, not its brightness. The old standard of labeling is misleading because people have associated wattage with brightness. It is true, a 60-watt bulb will be brighter than a 40-watt. But with energy-efficient bulbs, a 9-watt bulb could be just as bright as a 70-watt incandescent bulb. The new labeling will start sometime in mid-2011. In automotive news, Tesla Motors is going public. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk told investors that the company is a combination of the auto industry with the advantage of having roots in technology from the Silicon Valley. Musk said that the company is closer to an Apple or Google than they are to a GM or a Ford. The company plans to raise $178 million by going public and has a valuation of over $1.4 billion. The company hopes to have high margins because it will sell and service its cars through its own retail operators and in direct sales instead of franchising. Tesla will be releasing its Model S in 2011 that will be ready for delivery in 2012. Currently, the company's low-volume sales come from its Roadster sports car and deals to supply electric powertrain agreements to other automakers. At the Geneva Auto Show, Lotus showed off its new range extender engine in the Evora 414e Hybrid. This new engine is designed to act as an onboard generator for EVs that gives the vehicle a broader range than any battery could. The engine is a 3-cylinder 1.2-liter that combines block, head, and an exhaust manifold into a single piece. This makes the engine easier to manufacture and service. The engine will be produced by Lotus with the help of Fagor Ederland Group, a European supplier of powertrain and chassis equipment. The Chevy Volt, GM's extended range electric vehicle, uses an engine similar to the Lotus concept. Depending on how well the Volt sells could predict Lotus's success as a supplier to the EV market. GM is using an in-house design and is supplying engines for their Volt. They would not be a potential buyer from Lotus. Well, that's it for our Green Tech 360. Stay tuned for our Worldly Green 360 with Fong right after this special announcement from American Standard.
The Responsible Bathroom Water Conversion Tour, sponsored by American Standard, kicked off this April. The tour has a goal of saving 2 billion gallons of water this year alone. So far, the national tour has attracted thousands of people to its 100 events in the first 2 months. There are still 300 events planned to run through November 2010 at plumbing wholesale locations in the U.S. and Canada. The grassroots mobile marketing campaign has established water conservation as a mainstream concern. With 36 states predicted to experience water shortages by 2013, tour audiences welcome solutions to saving water and a hands-on opportunity to raise awareness. The tour has attracted generous media attention and TV segments and headlines across the country. American Standard brands expect the Responsible Bathroom Tour to contribute 2 billion gallons of water savings simply by convincing attendees to adopt new water-conserving behaviors. Visitors to the tour gain from product demonstration giveaways and water conservation education. The event is free to the public. For more information about the tour or to read the Responsible Bathroom Water Conservation Tour press releases in full, visit greenstocksrock.com, or you can track the tour's water savings progress at theresponsiblebathroomtour.com.